Before inspecting your dryer for issues causing brown marks, always unplug the appliance for safety. This prevents any accidental operation during your inspection. Brown marks on clothes often originate from problems within the dryer drum itself. Begin your inspection by opening the dryer door and examining the interior drum surface. During your inspection, systematically check for several key issues. Look for cracks in the drum surface, check for any residue buildup, inspect the drum seals around the edges, and feel for rough or damaged areas. Cracks in the drum surface are a common cause of brown marks. Even small cracks can snag clothing fibers, create brown marks on fabrics, and will worsen over time if not addressed. Drum seals around the edges of the drum are critical components. When these seals become worn or damaged, they allow lint accumulation, debris buildup, and ultimately cause staining on your clothes. Regular cleaning removes residue that can transfer to clothes. Start with a damp cloth and mild detergent for basic cleaning. For stubborn stains, use a magic eraser or create a solution with dish soap and water. Small cracks can be temporarily repaired using heat-resistant epoxy like JB Weld, but this is only a temporary solution. For extensive damage, drum replacement is required and professional service is recommended for proper installation. Regular drum inspection and maintenance prevents most brown mark issues. Address small problems early before they become major repairs, and always prioritize safety by unplugging your dryer before any work. Heat damage is a primary cause of brown marks on clothes. When your dryer overheats, it can scorch fabric fibers, leaving permanent brown stains. The main culprit is restricted airflow caused by lint buildup. When air cannot flow properly, heat builds up inside the dryer, creating dangerous temperatures. The first line of defense is cleaning your lint trap after every single load. This simple step prevents most airflow problems. Beyond the lint trap, your dryer vent needs annual cleaning. A clogged vent is a fire hazard and causes severe overheating. Professional cleaning involves disconnecting the vent, using specialized brushes, and ensuring complete lint removal from the entire duct system. Using appropriate heat settings prevents fabric damage. Different materials require different temperatures to avoid scorching. Sometimes the problem starts in your washing machine. Rust, mildew, and detergent buildup can transfer stains to clothes before they even reach the dryer. For existing burn marks, try this hydrogen peroxide method. Wet the stain with 3% hydrogen peroxide, cover with a clean cloth, and iron to transfer the burn mark away from the fabric. Prevention is always better than repair. Sort clothes by fabric type, use appropriate detergent amounts, and pre-treat stains before washing. Regular maintenance of both your washer and dryer will keep your clothes looking their best.